right now I got some free time and I want to make some money. So easiest thing to do, load up the old Instacart app and see if we can get anything. And lo and behold, got a $7 order for 4 items at a CVS right down the road and delivering like a mile away. It's like the easiest $7 you can ever make. So I'm just driving up there and we'll see how it goes. I legit think this first order is gonna be delivered like right up here, which is like not even a mile away from where I'm at on campus. And the CVS that's going to is right up by that stoplight. So I mean, it's legitimately the easiest money doing like little orders like this that take you like 5 minutes to grab and check out. At the CVS, gonna go head inside and see what we can find. Obviously, haven't gotten time to get that light to go away, but it's not a big deal. Not even joking, it took like 5 minutes to shop everything, but the way Instacart works with like their cards and stuff like that, it literally took probably an extra 5 minutes. But we got everything. Spent too long looking for some sort of sinus medication because they all look the same. But we're gonna go deliver this and make a quick $7, I think. Alright, let's see if we can pull out of here without dying. That always seems to be a problem around here. These parts. Oh shit. Now I gotta deal with this guy up here. We're gonna be the fastest Instacart delivery driver on the planet right now. Speed of light, we shall deliver groceries. Easiest $7 right there. It's about to rain and there's no fucking orders. Trying to send me to goddamn Colonial? Hell no. I'll wash my car before I go there. Just don't know what car wash to go to. I guess I really can't even wash. Whoa, look at that barrier. Y'all see that? What the? I almost hit that. Shit. Yeah, I should probably wash my car though. At least wash my wheels. My wheels get dirty. I hate big trucks like this guy that like ride your ass. I mean, like, what are you trying to gain, bro? I'm sorry. I'm not trying to double the speed limit on this crazy busy ass road. Go. Come on. All right, we got a spot, but this car wash works about 25% of the time, and 10% of the time when it does working 25% of the time, it legit drips from the ceiling, and just everything you clean your car just is more dirty after you leave. It's kind of sad, honestly. As you can see, it did exactly as I described it would. Wasn't surprised in the slightest to see it just straight up dripping from the roof. You can see it all over my sunroof there. What a shitty place. That's a killer. Oh, it's gone. See, if you don't act so fast, they're gone. You had time to think about it. Because when you do think, it's usually not worth it. But then somebody else takes it. So, I don't know. So I got bored, and I was looking at Google Maps while waiting for an order to pop up, and I found something kind of interesting. We're gonna go see if it is as cool as it looks, but it looks like a giant abandoned parking lot, but Google Maps could be pretty old, so this might be developed now, but this is interesting. Ooh, it's also a church. Ooh, that might be why it's kind of in a weird spot. I don't even know if that's a church. Theological Seminary. It's got crosses. It might be a church. It's weird. It's pretty cool. Kind of cultish, but this drive is fun. We'll see where this takes us. It is legit just like a big skid pad over there, and there's a pond over there. Oh, man, I wish we can get over there, but looks like it's locked up. Well, time to go Instacarting again. Update. Don't try to do Instacart at 3 p.m. in the afternoon on a Monday, because nothing will happen. But like over the weekend, all day is usually pretty chill, but I don't think my shifter was supposed to move this much. It's alright though. Well, we're back. Kind of a failure, but we got one order in, so kind of a success. Just good to get out, stretch your legs, all those good things. Can't forget the cup.